Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Kee'S Operator. The song is Operator, the artist is Midnight Star, and the choreography is Dancing with Key. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504 2510674. And as a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it.
Would someone please hang their phone up?
And there you go. Kee'S Operator. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.